Habol na ito.
Ayan guys. Yan mga ka-boys, nandito na kami sa pupunta sa Bain. Okay. Andito lang pala. Yan, pasukin muna natin yung Bain. Hello po, good afternoon po. Wala pa siya. Ito lang pala yung Bain. Ito yung entrance.
So, ano yung client ko? Si Ma'am Hazel.
Hindi nakapagbayad ng Hazel. Hi.
Ma'am Hazel.
Hindi niya, inaano ko lang po yung mga gamit, ma'am.
Oo.
May different type ng space kasi medyo nagkamali kami ng estimate. So,
Talagang namin namin yan.
Sige pa. Dito na po kami sa Bain. Nag-check po sila ng area kung saan po niya adjust. Nice po nila yung ano, space kasi magkakalabat po o paano po i-adjust mamaya yung mga table. Ayan po yung maliliit. Yan lang po. Mamaya ulit. Yan.
ilan ba tayo?
Hello po. Andito yung holding area na. Ayan. Hi.
Hello.
Yan po. Pupunta po kami sa ano. Nauna na si si Ponsa. Ran. Alam kong gutom na to.
Siga si Pansa. Big.
Anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Dito kayo.
Kain na, tara. It's well.
Sige po. Thank you po sa lunch.
Okay.
Ayun yung mga kasama namin. Saan kayo pupunta? Ito to. Pinapatingin niya.
Masarap.
Wow. Tapos may dessert pa. Thank you po.
Ano na lang nila kakainin.
Yung iba po ayaw pa kasi kumain, pwede. Dadalhin na lang namin doon. Okay lang.
Bawal daw magdala.
Hindi na lang doon kakain. O hindi lang
Hindi
doon
naman po
kakain.
kakainin.
Apo.
Sige.
Sa kanilang
Kasi
dalawa.
ano mag-contortionist yun. Baka masok ko pag nag-show.
Ilan po sila?
Ilan sila?
Ito na po yung dalawa. Sa
Dalawa.
Yan yung pagkain. Ang sarap yung dessert.
Ito yung tatlong tubig. Isa pa pong tubig para sa akin. Isa pa daw. Si Bolchok.
Tatlo lang yan. Si
Alma si Bolchok siya.
Nagpe-prepare na sila. Magbihis. Ganda naman ang buhok ni Poncha. Hi. Say hi. Diba? Mas huwag mo sirain buhok. Ganda yung buhok.
Ay, siya ka.
What's the problem in here?
Ay, siya.
What's the problem in... Doon. Doon. Doon.
I am the greatest showman. Sadya.
I know, I know. Yan.
Bye.
Hi.
Sundan mo sila doon, mag-pwesto na sila doon sa harapan. Mag-pwesto na doon.
Yan nga, lalabas kami kasi alam nyo na ka-birds. Ay, manager namin. O, alis ka dyan, picture. Picture kayong tatlo. Ayun po manager namin, nagbe-video. Bibidyohan ko rin siya. Para
Gwen Camino.
It's the best so you can join all our games and get a very exciting prizes here at tonight's party. And kids, if you are still seated with your mommies and daddies with your grown-ups, can you make your way here to the community area? Our birthday girl Mariah, a big round of applause. Here with us we have our acrobatic performers from Harvard. So give them a big round of applause, everybody. Let's smile for a big group photo. First birthday to Uriah now. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I need your help as we all sing a happy birthday for our birthday girl. Now we are going to light up your birthday candle. Again, everybody, we need your help. I want you guys to sing the happy birthday song as loud as you can. Is everybody ready? Yes? Okay, music please. Everybody now. Okay, everyone, one more time, faster now. Okay, Mariah, with the help of your birthday family, now close your eyes, make a wish, and blow out your birthday candle. Whenever you're ready. There we go. Everybody, on the count of three, can we all shout out loud, Happy birthday, Mariah, in 3, 2, 1. Happy first birthday, Mariah. Okay, for our birthday family, please smile for some more group photos here with our official photographers. There we go. There we go. Okay, thank you very much. For our birthday family, we now sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the party. For our guests, we have a very special performance coming for you guys to kickstart this birthday party. Do you guys want to see the first performance here today? Yes, are you guys ready? Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very exciting performance up next for you guys. I'd like to invite our guests to please settle down.
Okay na po.
And another big round of applause for Party Bird. Thank you so much for that acrobatic performance.